Hey Joshua, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what this is a butane torch lighter that you can use. So basically you can use this for like lighting up candles if you guys want, or you can use it for cooking. So the one that we have right here is just like a normal one you can buy basically anywhere. This one's actually pretty good quality and everything. But let me show you guys another one that is very similar to this but a better quality and I guess like more well known. So you guys can see this is basically what it looks like right here for the more well known one. This is the actual like more professional one. But let me actually open up the package and show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes in the package first. Alright, so when we first open up, they provide us a little instruction manual right here. I believe it also has like a recipe in here. You guys want to use the recipe to teach you guys how to use the product. So for example, it has a banana creme brulee. It has a lemon creme brulee recipe here as well. And there's just so many other recipes in the one that we got right here. And inside we have the actual torch right here, as you can see. It looks very similar but different design and a lot more professional and high quality, as you can see. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So one thing that is not included in the packaging itself for either one of these butane torches or whatever is the actual butane itself. So you guys actually need to buy that yourself. So the one that we have right here is from this brand right here, as you can see. And all you guys really need to do is open up the cap. And you guys can see this open right here. So the way how you guys refill it is by putting this part into the bottom part here to refill it. And obviously when you guys turn on the torch itself and there's a lot of flame coming out, then you guys don't need to refill it. So right now mine's all full, so I don't need to refill it. So like I mentioned, the bottom part you can see they actually have the opening part right here for you guys to refill it on both sides. If you guys notice how it's a flat bottom, so that's definitely really cool on both of them. So that way you guys can actually put it down on a flat surface or table. The way how to design each one of these torches is a little bit different. So when you guys look at both of these torches right here, you guys can see that there's definitely a difference between both of them. This one has a little nice grip right here that is not as high quality compared to the stainless steel one, and definitely a better built overall torch for this product compared to the one that we have right here. But both of them works for the same kind of like stuff, whether you guys want to torch it for food or torch it for candles or whatever, both of them does work. It's just different quality built, but both of them are torches and can use for lighting up stuff. So it's actually pretty easy to use this product itself. As you can see on this side right here, they have the option for you guys to control like the temperature. So there's a plus and minus. So right now it's on the minus. So if you guys want to be higher, just turn it all the way this way and it should be on the maximum. So here's a lock part right here and here's another lock part right here. So once you guys try to push right here, it won't work. But once you guys push this part down like this, you guys can activate it and start using it. So if you guys push this part down right here, then it'll activate it right here. Alright, so it's pretty hot and it actually works really well if it's in here. So if you guys don't want it that strong, you guys want to push this part down like here and then start using it again. So push this part down right here and activate it. You guys can see. Whereas for the other one that we have right here, it's a little bit more simpler. So they have the plus and minus right here as well. So right now it's on minus. If you guys want to make it stronger, push it all the way this way. And you guys want to turn this part right here. So I actually told you guys how to use this part right here. So if I want to start using it, then I want to just turn it to open side right here, which is on the left side. So if I want to use it, all I need to do is press the button right here and push it down. So you can't really see the flame itself, but it's pretty strong. And if it's too high, you can also push it down to the other side and turn it back down and you do it again. You can see it's way smaller now. So if you guys saw from those two different torches that I showed you guys, so there's a professional one and there's this one right here. There's also this one that I didn't show you guys earlier, but this one right here is pretty cool. So this one's very small. It also has the plus and minus option to increase or lower the temperature. And then right here, the safety lock right here. And then this button right here is how you guys will activate to use it. And then obviously on this side is where the torch will come out. Same thing as these right here. And then the bottom part is how you guys refill it. Same thing as the other ones. But this one you guys can actually see the butane or the liquid inside, the gas. And these you guys can't see it. So when we actually use it, you guys can kind of see the torch or the flame, but it's really hard to see it, but it does work. Whereas the one right here, much stronger. And when you guys use these, you guys want to make sure you guys are careful to not use it somewhere where you guys can actually light up on fire or something. So be aware and be careful when you guys use torches. So depending on what you guys want to use it for, that's up to you guys. But you guys can use it for like creme brulee, you guys can use it for like melting cheese. And you're not limited for just for food. If you guys want to use it for lighting up stuff while camping, or if you guys want to use it for lighting up candles, what you guys want to use it for, that's up to you guys. But definitely both of the ones that we have right here is safe for using it for food and everything. So that's basically everything for the product itself. Now that we did quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that it's worth it to get one of these torches if you guys want one. But definitely make sure to get one of these butane refills if you guys do plan on getting these, because you guys don't want to run out of butane and have to buy a brand new one of these torches. Definitely get a refill so you can just refill it every single time instead of buying a brand new torch that's filled. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.